It's Mr. Showstopper with that cold, that's a flu. And don't nobody feeling really blue. And that poison got him tripping all the time. Got him feeling for an antidote, he need it all the time. Cause it's killing me softly, this poison every day. And it won't leave me alone, it's begging me to stay. I don't know what to do, and I don't know what to say. And I don't know what to say, and I don't know what to do.
I keep this poison in my mind. I've paid my dues and moved on with my life. And no matter how hard I try to fight, I trust in the past if it's still alive. When I keep this poison in my mind, I just need an antidote. 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 I just need an antidote.
I know, but this poison in my mind feels so good right now. I know, but this poison in my body feels so good right now. Got me tripping all the time, please pass me an antidote. But when I'm dancing on the floor, I be crippin' like a low. Whoa, watch out single ladies, cause it's stealing hearts like crazy.
I keep this poison in my mind. I've